Hey, this is Brian. I'm going to do a review of this Swiffer WetJet here. We've had this for a few years and it just serves our purposes for mopping when you can see shoe marks after you vacuum the floor. This is what it looks like. And this is the cleaning release button here, this gray button here. You just go ahead and press that. And once you press that there, it's going to release the fluid here. And the fluid is just a Swiffer. You can get different kinds of fluid to spray on the ground. This is the Swiffer WetJet absorbent pads here. They have a little rough spot in the middle, but it's not rough enough to damage your floor. So that's going to go on the bottom side. I'll go ahead and flip this over. And these two lines here are what it's going to attach to the Swiffer with. So you just want to go ahead and press it down like this. And you are all set to go now. Just make sure you press it down. You're going to press this button to release the spray when you're mopping. So let's go ahead and do an example here. You can see it lights up too when it sprays, which is helpful if you're in a dark hallway or something like that. Now you can buy different kinds of the scents of the fluid that it sprays. It's like a different cleaning fluid. You can use this on wood, laminate flooring. You can use it in the bathroom. So different kinds of flooring. But we're just going to do a small section here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the bottom to see what that looks like here. So this will get up any footprints and things like that. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's gotten some dirt up already.